Twist,
my
lift him up. Yeah, okay, that's good.
I'll put mine. I'll put this one in this carrot.
He looks like a little Irishman.
Here, my baby.
Hey, where do you put your baby? In a little crib. Say easy.
There
There you go.
it is. It's in there. My baby's a mess. Yeah. Pull me up here. Pull me up. God bless you.
I think Anna likes her baby brother.
Do you? I can't get his hands out though. She wants to see his little fingers. There they are.
See how little they are?
Did you check if he has toes like your father?
I don't say that.
Give me
He
the
has toes
baby.
like Billy.
Give me the baby. Give me the baby. Give me the baby.
Me, Anna, and little Billy had the same toes?
Give me the baby. Give me it.
I can't. Where you
I
sitting?
just hope he grows up to look. Well, we're ready.
He loves you. 'Cause
That's
you're
my
his
brother.
his sister.
It's Papa's brother.
Mine.
Okay, don't
Mine and
squeeze him too
Him and
tight.
Papa have the same hairdo.
He looks like he's gonna holler for a bubble. He's gonna holler.
Get on
No,
me.
no, no. I can't take. You can't hold him all by yourself yet.
Because he's like glass, he'll break.
No, you're not like that.
It could be.
He's listening to your voice, so he wants to know who his sister is.
You gonna take him to school?
Okay,
Watch
don't put
him,
your
what's the
finger in his
finger? No.
eyes.
You gonna
With
take
me.
you gonna,
He loves you.
you're gonna take him to school, right?
Okay, can we put him back with mommy give him his brother?
Up for my baby.
No,
What
no,
about
let
my
mommy. Okay, we'll put him by your one. Tio? Huh? Tio? No, I have my orchid came running in the room and all doctors and everything.
Thank you for what?
Yeah, it was
For
scary.
the baby?
Yeah.
Bless you.
Yeah. They like they
Get sniffles.
picked him up, but like you know how they usually just get.
Like me.
I know he likes her.
Yeah.